feel like I've been doing parkour my whole life.
I do parkour because I like the freedom of expression. When you actually do it, you realize that, okay, now I can do it, and it's just becomes so easy. But the first time, you build it up to be harder than it actually is.
You have to conform to the environment. You can't. It doesn't work with you. You have to work with it. Well, it started gaining popularity when I was in high school, so that's probably around the time when I realized that it was an actual thing, something that I could work toward and get better at.
When you do parkour out in nature, it's just so much different from anything else, really.